In this video, I'll show you how to book a hotel room in English. So I'm going to use booking.com, and it's pretty easy as long as you pick stays. Then over here, you want to pick your location, you want to set your dates, and then you want to set the amount of people and the amount of rooms. And then hit search. Once in here, you can search through a list of hotels. I'll just pick the first one here. And if we click on these pictures, we can go through them and have a look. As well as if you scroll down, you will get tons of information about the hotel, as well as reviews. And when you're ready, you can hit see availability. In here, you'll see the available rooms that they have, so they only have this one here. And I will click on the little circle over here. And then I can just hit reserve. Now this next screen just asks for my personal information, so I can't show you that. It doesn't allow me to record. After you've put in your personal information, you will just need to put in your card details and you'll be able to fully reserve that hotel room. They'll send you an email and you'll use that as your credentials. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.